Welcome inside an American factory where identical potato chips are made every day.
This facility produces millions of the same potato chips daily.
Every step is automated for consistency and speed. The process starts with precision-controlled systems. Let us begin the journey.
Fresh potatoes arrive in large quantities.
They are thoroughly washed to remove dirt. High-pressure water cleans every potato. Defective potatoes are removed automatically. Only approved potatoes continue. Quality is monitored in real time. Now slicing begins. Potatoes are sliced into identical thin rounds.
These slices will become potato chips.
Now they are ready to cook.
Slices enter high temperature oil.
This is where crunch is created.
The color remains consistent.
Oil temperature is strictly controlled.
Cooking time is carefully calculated.
They are cooked evenly.
Excess oil is removed.
This keeps them light and crispy.
The chips begin cooling. Sound there.
Cooling prepares them for seasoning.
Now seasoning is added.
Flavor is applied uniformly.
Every chip gets the same taste. No chip is missed. Seasoning levels are automated. Consistency is maintained. Bags are formed automatically.
Exact portions are filled.
Nitrogen keeps chips fresh. Production details are printed. Imperfect packs are rejected. Robobots handle packing. Boxes are sealed.
They move to storage. Ready for delivery. Chips are shipped nationwide.
From factory to stores.
Every chip is identical.
Automation ensures quality.
Same taste every time.
This is modern food manufacturing. Designed for efficiency.
Perfectly made potato chips.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more factory videos.